Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick video. It's going to be different. I'll be doing a quick text analysis of the fourth Democratic debate, primary debate. So in here I'm importing just a number of libraries to fetch data and to analyze it. I will be using the Washington Post transcript of the Democratic debate. So I will fetch that website. I'll find all the paragraphs that I need from the debate. And I will add all of these into a data frame, into a pandas data frame. So now I have a data frame with all the paragraphs. Some of the paragraphs start with a speaker name. So sometimes people, this is the host. She had like 2 paragraphs in here. Not each paragraph is labeled, so I will have to deal with that. First I have a function to get the name. So let's start with this one. I'm applying this function that gets the name using regular expression on the raw input, and I'm storing this as a speaker. Then I'm doing forward fill, so if anything is missing it will get the value from the previous one. So now I have this. Each one of these paragraphs is labeled correctly. I will do a quick count. I can see that Sanders has the most paragraphs, then Holt, then Clinton, then O'Malley. I'll be counting, I will be getting the rest of the speech. So in here I split out the names so I can get only the speech. I'm doing that also using regular expression. An interesting thing, applause. So I will just do a quick count for how many times we had an applause. We had applause 34 times. And if I do a values count by speaker, I can see that Sanders and Clinton get the same number, 12 applause. Then O'Malley gets 7 and Holt get 3, the moderator. So I'll be doing also a word count to check how many words did each one of them said. So I have a function in here that counts words. It uses len and it counts this tokenization regular expression. So in here I have how many words in each sentence, and now I can filter only the 3 people on stage, and I can do a pivot using mean. First I will see how many words did they say in each used in each paragraph. O'Malley used Clinton actually used the most, 32.7, then Sanders 27.4, then O'Malley 25.1. I will do also a sum, the same pivot table, but to count how many words did each one say. And Sanders is on top by 4,595. 39% of the words were said by him. Then Clinton 36.5, and finally O'Malley 24.2. I can see that they didn't actually give him equal opportunity in this debate. I didn't watch the debate actually. I'm just doing a quick analysis of the transcript, but I didn't watch the actual debate. Anyway, in here I'm just doing a speaker dictionary so I can do some analysis, and I added the speaker number. I'm doing a count vectorizer, so I will basically count how many words were said in each sentence, and it will create like a big vector of how many words were used in each of these sentences. You can see the most words said was the, to, and, for, we. Then you can see the least words used, zero, bloodiest, and etc. So one of the interesting things you can do with a classifier is to check which words are most telling, basically, of a speaker. So I will start by Sanders. Sanders, the most telling words of him are major, Goldman Sachs, countries, contributions, corruption, spending, and the list goes on. Vermont, real, rhetoric. The least words telling of him is Lister, plan, again, Dodd, since, come, had, cost, attacks, actually. And these are the least probable words to find in a sentence by Sanders. These are the most probable words comparably to a sentence that he didn't say. So these are the most telling words that it's a Sanders sentence. I will do the same thing with Clinton. So with Hillary, it's Dodd, try, frank, quiet, pleased, someone, spend. And the least words said about her are Clinton, of course her name, she won't say her name. These major terms, things, Andrea, Goldman Sachs, of course she won't talk about that. Secretary, oh, that's interesting. Second, countries issued on contributions. Corruption, it's down there. Anyway, with O'Malley, it's a really interesting list because most of his most common words, they start with M. So no, but after that it's momentum, mom, mixed, mission, missing, minute, minus, month, mindful, militarize, mindset, Michigan, message, mention, mentally, Memphis, million, moon, moral, moving. That's really interesting. The most telling words of him, they all start with the letter M. The least telling words of him are just common words, basically, because he didn't have as much chance as the others to speak. I will be publishing this notebook on GitHub. I will leave the link to it in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope if you like this, you will subscribe to this channel. Thank you.